This automatic banding machine uses heat sealing system to bond materials together and form a nice tidy seal around the items. The machine is suitable for OPP film or paper tape. It is commonly used in pharmaceutical, printing, graphic, dairy, and currency industries. Turn power on located at the left side of the machine. Put your preferred banding material, OPP film or paper tape. Press feed button until the film reaches the end of the arc and the LED indicator in the feed button lights up. Select manual or auto operation as shown in the control monitor. Place the item on the table of the machine and press the start button. This banding machine makes use of paper and polypropylene tapes of 30 millimeters wide and 150 meters long. It features a heat sealing welding method. It also has a banding tension of 5 to 40 Newton and an arc size of 470 by 200 millimeters.